I'm Mike Forshee from Glasslake Funding. I'm the president and also managing director of Bayview Asset Management. Glasslake is the newest, probably most unheard of commercial lender here at the forum this year. Yeah, originally Glasslake, we started out as a small balance commercial lender, really servicing loans under the $5 million mark. We saw a gap in the market where the major banks were pulling away from that segment. But as we've gotten going here, we've also seen a real opportunity in the plus $50 million market. And I think we're really looking to play a pivotal role in being able to cut the bigger checks versus syndication on the larger loan levels across various asset classes. Yeah, there's a couple positions on this. We see the market turning with many asset classes. Obviously, multifamily still going strong. There's still new product coming on the market. We feel we can play a pivotal role in the bridge financing space. But also, going back to my previous answer, we still think there's a real underserved market of under five, but not even only under five, but the under $10 million market. We also believe there's a little hole in the financing segment that we want to fill, which is really in that 6 to 8% price range for maybe more B-class buildings, but still dealing with A-class sponsors. The available capital in the market, I still think, is primarily dominated by the major banks, and this is where we feel we can come in and play a bit of a different role than the traditional bank financing that dominates the space. I do think it's really finding the key risk appetite that helps satisfy the investor's yield hurdles with the quality asset on the other side. So we're really looking to add, as we come into Canada, looking to add to the capital, the available capital for solid commercial real estate transactions, which we think there's plenty of. Commercial real estate segment in Canada really is sophisticated. We're dealing with sophisticated sponsors at every level. So I think, especially given the current economic climate, they tend to be fairly realistic. We do see sponsors coming to us for slightly higher leverage levels than obviously the past couple years. But with that, they seem to have very tight business plans and give us a lot to work with as we lean into these types of deals. Lenders and brokers need to play a key role in coming together on transactions and not being adversaries in some cases, and really working together to sell the sponsor story, the value add of the deal, and really what the investment return should look like, as well as the exit strategies down the line if needed. So I think there's still plenty of room for lenders to communicate to the broker network on the expectations of said lender to ensure the transactions are more efficient and more fluid in getting to the finish line.